contents like this to your website. How to post blog content. We all know that blogging is important to increase website traffic, to make your website do more for you and for you to get most of the website. Traffic is more people in your website, more people that can come and buy, more people that can come and inquire, that can come and say, oh, I just came from your website, as you can see, this is this, what do you have for me, can I pay for your offer, or something like that, right? So this is how to do it. Do not worry, it looks like a lot, but it's gonna be simplified. First thing you want to do is you want to come to the back end of your website. It's going to look something like this, and you are going to have to log in. We will provide the link for you to go to, like a website link, but this is the back end of your website. It's going to be something like www.yourwebsite login. Maybe it's yourname.com. For us, it's MAOdigitalSolution.com. Then you're going to see WP/admin. Right. So what you want to do is you take that detail, you put it, you go to that URL. You're going to see something like this. Then you put your email that you've gotten from us, you put your password, and you log in. So there are different ways we send your email and password to you. It's either we give you or we ask for your email and then we add you to the back end of the website so that you can get a message telling you to reset your password. Whatever it is, just get to the point where you put your email and where you put your password, and then you log in. When you log in, it's going to load, it's going to get to this point, right? This is what you're going to see. Do not fret, it's very easy. We have made this really easy for you. Just go to the left hand side of this interface. Okay, I'm using interface. I'm trying to use simple words. Just go to the left hand side of what you see on your screen and look for posts. It's gonna usually it has a pin. You can see this pin icon. Look for posts, click on add new posts. This is it. It's a video, so you can always replay. That's the great thing. I hope I'm not going too fast, but in case I go too fast, you can definitely always replay it, right? So let's go there. Now we want to make a blog post like this. We know that we need our headline. Our topic. You need the topic, right? You need body. You need, sometimes you might want to add image in the middle. You might want to, and that's basically, you might want to tell them at the end, click here to buy, blah, 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 blah. Click here to get to me or contact us using the contacts button above, So first thing first, you want to add your title. Title, blogging. Yes, we have our title there. I believe that when you come to the back end of your website, you already have the content. Say, let's write food is life. Great, we have all our content. It's a lot of content. Let's assume we want to put a picture of food in the middle. We want to add media. This is it. You can see add media is, just look for it. This is it. This is how it's going to be. You scroll down. You're going to see where you put your headline. You're going to see add media. So you add the media. You are going to have to upload the images. Now, this is where it gets tricky. You cannot upload images the way they are on your phone or from wherever you've gotten it directly to the website. You need to compress it to reduce the size so that your website can load as quickly as it does, as it's supposed to do, as quickly as 3 seconds, right? So I'm going to send a link to a separate video on how to compress images. When you compress it, you have them on your website, and then on your laptop, and then you can upload. It's pretty easy at this point. It's easy peasy, lemon squeezy. I'm going to go to my WebP website. So this is when you compress it, it's gonna be like this. It's gonna be a WebP format. Don't worry about that. There's another video showing that. So let's open. I already have that image. I shouldn't have uploaded. Uh, just doing this to show you. So most times this is it. I've uploaded, I've renamed. It's always good to rename it something that goes with what you're selling, something that goes with your name, so that it's going to tell those web crawlers and that, okay, this is so that they can recommend it if that is what the person is looking for. So the more everything on your website points to the keywords are things that are being typed. For instance, how to eat fried chicken is a keyword, right? How to fry chicken is a keyword, right? So basically that's why I've named it like this. Insert into posts, it's gonna come on. You will see it here. You can see. You can easily click on that video. All I did was click on the video to set the alignment. I always like putting it in the middle. You can play around this. I love putting mine in the middle. So you could do the same for this. Control E or Command E, or you could do this if it doesn't work, depending on whether you're using a MacBook or an HP. I'm using a MacBook Pro. So great. So you can continue typing if you want to add more images, whatever you want to add. It is easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Do the same thing. How about you want to add videos or something like that? Basically, I really don't recommend that you are adding videos in a blog. But if you want to do that, you can access, or basically you can insert a link to the video. If it's a YouTube link, it's gonna show as a video, and you can ask other questions on this. Now let's assume you want to add a link. You click on the link. Let's assume, okay, I'm trying to get to, let's go to YouTube. Should we go to YouTube? Yeah, let's go to YouTube. Okay, let's not go to YouTube. Let's go to my portfolios. I'm going to copy a link to a video from on there. It's a YouTube video, so we're still going to YouTube. Okay, video folio. The network is not so good. Not so awesome today. Not the most awesome. Not at all. Okay, great. Let's pick a video. Let's pick one video. Okay, so let's go with this. I'm going to click on share so I could be able to copy the link. Control C, we go back. Yes, and we put Control V. That is it. We enter it. This is the link. You can remove the link. You can edit the link. It's really easy. Just go around it. That's why we said use this. Do not bother clicking on edit with Elementor. Just use this. Yeah. So I'm gonna enter. So that is a YouTube video. Most times it's not a YouTube video that people want to add. They want to add maybe their website link. Go to the contact page. If I want people to go to the contact page of my website, I'm gonna go to my website. I'm gonna click on contact. I'm gonna copy the link to contacts. It's gonna show up. And I'm gonna copy it. Yes, I'm gonna copy it, go back to where I'm writing my blog and say contact us here, and voila. Oh, you need to click on link before you put it, else it's say voila, I enter it. It's there. You can contact us very easy by clicking this link. So that is basically it. That is basically it. So now for the featured image, like I said, this, let's go to that. Of course, for your featured image, you want to optimize it like I've said earlier, and this is where to put your featured image. So you go to the right hand side. Again, this is what you see when you log in. You scroll up, you go to the right hand side. Literally look for where you see this featured image. It's gonna have the featured image, should I say tag or whatever it is. It's gonna be called featured image. So then you see set featured image. You click on it. Again, it's a recorded video. Video, you can always load it. Go back and play again. So you're gonna see all of the things you've uploaded under your media library. If you want to upload new, you go to upload. Just click on these things. Don't ever save until you're sure of what you've done. You can always click on it and see how it goes. So let me look for something pretty, something beautiful to put there. I don't really have. Let me see. Okay, let's do this. I have a flyer, yeah. Like I said, you can always rename your flyer. I wrote funnel like websites, blah blah blah, and name it something that is a keyword for what you do. So you can see this is the featured image. Now we've added our featured image. We've added our topic, blogging. We've added food is life. So blogging is, yeah, okay. Food is life, and all of this we've told them towards the end. Click on contact to get to us with a lot of yada. Okay, yes. Let's say we want to highlight something aside the topic. Maybe while we were talking, we wanted to highlight this HDD. All we have to do is click with your mouse, click with your pad, click with whatever you can click. You know how to highlight. Highlight it and go up. You can see bold. It's bold. You can see italics. It's italicized. You can see code in case you wanted to make it different, like someone said and I quote, Mahatma Gandhi said and I quote, you click on quote. If you want to add bullet points, you click on bullet points. You can just click on these things, play with them, and see what it do. So you can see read more. That's what it does. So I'm going to take it on. This is the toggle. So most times you wouldn't need to click on the toggle, so let's just leave that, right? So another thing you might want to do is make sure that some things appear larger than some other things. For instance, this. I will click on paragraph and write heading 1. It's just the up. This is how it looks like when you load it. You come back, you see, you saw paragraph. It was paragraph. You can make it paragraph. That's paragraph is the normal text when you're writing normal text. You can make it heading 3. You can see the sizes keep changing based on what you click. You can make it pre-formatted. I don't really go for that. So I mostly use paragraphs. I mostly use heading 3 or heading 1 or 2 if I want to be dramatic. Heading 1 if I want to be dramatic, right? Oh my god! This cures cancer. So you can see it does it. So one thing, if you want to highlight only one thing out of a series of things, an easy way to do it is, when you are writing, it affects all the things you do, right? So if you want to change, maybe you've made this bold, you don't want the next one to be bold, just go to the next page and write. You can always come back and remove that space. Great, right? So there's different things you could do. You could change text colors. Yeah, let's do this. Maybe you want to change something in the middle. So you color orange. That is it. Horizontal line, you want to strike through a text. just play with the things around you. Like I said, we made it easy. You don't have to click on this. It gets different when you click on this, and probably you can make more mistakes and it can get more technical with this. This is also easy, but not as easy as this. It's far more easy than coding actually, but it's not as easy as this. So just go with this, right? Special characters. You can get the special characters. Increase indents. We know what indentation does, right? Increase indent, reduce indent, undo. You can always use Ctrl Z, you know, and that's it. Keyboard shortcuts shows you all these things. I think we are good. We are good. We are done. Our featured image is set. What do we need again? I think we're good. You are now a tech person. You've posted a blog on your website. So once again, go to the right side, look for where you see preview. It's right above publish, which is what we're going to do when we're sure that everything is great, awesome. Don't click on anything you don't know. Only click on the things we tell you to click so you don't destroy your websites and have to pay for it to be made again. So click on preview. We want to see what have we created. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. We just created this. Amazing, right? So like I said, okay, I don't know if I said it, but we've made it easy taking care of the design and everything. Just put what you want to put in the middle and we're taking care of all the other parts. So that's it. This is it. This is it. This is it. This is it. So once again, let's do a recap, or you can just watch the video again. You know, yeah. Concerning the video, yeah, I think let's just leave it at this. Let's not get it confusing. Let's not get it confusing. Let's not get it confusing. Okay, let me do something. I just did something, so don't worry, I'm going to show you. When you want your image to be bigger or smaller, you can click on the edit. You know, I showed you how to move it to the side, to the left. You can always click on the edit. You can see size on there. Just look for these things. Look for size. They're English words. Click on it. Try to avoid advanced options. I'm going to click on large. You can either click on large or full size. So I'm going to update it. Now I'm going to preview again. We're going to see it's going to look different. Maybe larger, different. Let's see. I like large. So this is it. Maybe you want to say celebrity gossip. This is bigger, 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 bigger. And that is it. So now how do you publish? It's literally on the preview. Click on publish and you wait for this thing rolling beside the publish button after you've clicked on it to, it's going to publish, it's going to roll, it's going to reload, and you have published it. You can always add updates after publishing, and when you're done writing or adding whatever it is, you update it. You can always preview the changes before you update it. Now, how do you get the link to your blog so that you can share to people and say, oh my god, this is my blog, go check out my blog, go do this, go do that, go do all of those things. What you're gonna do is, you can see right under where you put your headline, your topic, you see a link. That's just a link to your blog. Just copy. No, don't copy it. A lot of mistakes happen when you copy it. Just click on the link. It's gonna go to that place. And then you copy the URL from up here. It's much easier. Control C, and voila, that is your link. Send it to yourself via email, send it to your WhatsApp, send it to yourself via, you could go chat yourself on LinkedIn, on Instagram, just get the link to yourself however you want to get it to yourself. And you can see, voila, you posted a whole full blog. I'll send the the video on how to edit your images so they are optimized. They still look good even though they are optimized. You've gone to some websites and you see that the images don't look good. So optimize, look good, work together for your good. And thank you for coming to this episode. Just to doing awesome with your website.